Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2018 Toyota Highlander XLE V6. This is a request that was submitted in the comments of one of my videos, so I made sure to film it for them. Really nice interior, nice brown contrast stitching, sunshade of course. Back cargo area, of course you can fold down these rear seats, but even so, it's pretty roomy. Love this black metallic, absolutely beautiful. Does have some nice blue sparkles in it, which is really a good nice touch. 25,200 miles on the odometer of this one. Nice brown contrast stitching. Pretty ingenious design to have these two separate buttons to make your center armrest. Pretty smart. Let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Steering wheel feels great to the touch. Very nice high quality leather, and it's for almost 26,000 miles. It's held up really well. That's why I kind of like driving these pre-owned vehicles, is I start to see what vehicles look like after, you know, their first owner. Because when a vehicle's brand new, of course it's going to look great. But the true quality of a vehicle shows after it's had a couple thousand miles put on it, driven by the first or second or third owner for a couple thousand miles. That's when the true quality of a car will show. And you know, that's when you start to find what mechanical items fail. What touch points in the interior just wear down fast. And basically, just, you know, you can look at the quality of the seats too. There's a lot of leather seats I've noticed. You notice there will be cracking all along the side from people getting in and out. You know, you could start to really see the character of the car. Of course, it all depends on how the previous owner treated it, but even so, it gives you a good idea of the overall quality of the car. Powering this one is a 3.6 liter V6, and I love this powertrain. I just stepped out of the 4Runner with the 4 liter V6. Actually, I'm sorry, it's a 3.5. Messed that up. But even so, really nice interior. Great powertrain. Visibility is phenomenal. No blind spots whatsoever. Mirrors are really great. You do have blind spot monitoring. You also have a sport mode with manual shifting ability. One thing I will learn is how to screw the license plate on so it doesn't keep slapping the back of the car, because that's mildly annoying. But on one side, I don't want to tighten it all the way and then need a screwdriver. I just make sure they're hand tight, and I give the screws and the license plate overall just a good pull on them to make sure they won't fly off. So it's not coming off, I hope, but it's still loose enough where it's moving around. So I'm going to try to fix that for my future videos. The overall driving dynamics, it feels great to drive. This is only second or third Toyota I've ever driven. I haven't driven a lot of Toyotas, but this is really, really good. No complaints at all. It's like I was stating before, all your touch points feel great. Like the steering wheel, all these buttons here, all these touch sensitive buttons, they all feel really, really good. Using the infotainment system, it's not laggy at all. Takes about, I would say, 5 minutes to get used to. For me, I get confused because what you guys don't know is I film 6 cars a day when I'm working here at Quirk. So everything starts to get mixed together. So I'll be driving, I drove a GMC this morning. So it starts to show which systems are easy to use and very intuitive, because it's not like I'm dedicated to one brand. No, when I hop in a new Chevy, I've used them before, I get it, it's easy to use. But when I hop into, say we have Toyotas and pre-owned, and it's my first time using the system and I have to get everything set up, ready to go, that's where it shows how intuitive this is. And this is really, really easy. I love the fact that even though there are touch sensitive buttons, they're buttons. You don't have to go digging around the touch screen to access them, you know what I'm saying? If you want to go back to the home, you just push that touch sensitive button. You want your apps, you go onto there, hit audio, and as you can see, it's extremely responsive. I have no complaints at all. Driving on this back road, the brake pedal feels great. Good amount of bite on the initial press of the pedal, but it's not overly sensitive where it's going to throw you through the windshield if you just graze it too hard. Going on to our suspension test section. I'm going to go slower than I like, but you can tell ride's great. It's actually a very sporty feel. I wasn't expecting that. This powertrain mixed with this transmission makes everything kind of work together in harmony to produce a really good driving experience. What the heck? Okay, just some guy reversing down the street. All right. On that note, I'm gonna go grab a change of pants real quick. But to conclude, excellent job, Toyota. Really, really great SUV. If you guys are looking at a used one of these, we got one in inventory. Feel free to stop by and purchase it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.